Hi, in this video we'll discuss what is unions. Unions are also similar to the structure, which is a collection of elements of different data type. But the only difference here is we have some difference. That is, unions share same storage area within memory. But when we compare with the structures assign its own unique storage area. That is, I'll tell you what it is. But generally, what you have to tell is unions are similar to the structures, which is a collection of elements which are of different data types or dissimilar data types, and you also should say that it will share only same storage area. Now coming to the declaration is similar to your structure. In place of struct keyword you will have union keyword here, and in place of structure name you will have union name and union elements. What are the elements you are going to write here? Union elements. And then it should end with a braces semicolon. And when you want to write a union variable, then it is like union name and u1 comma u2 are these are all variables. So for example, if you are writing union x ex is a union name, and next int I and char s of 10 are union elements, and it should end with a semicolon, right? And next, now tell me what is the size. Generally, if it is a structure, then the size of this is what? Char s of 10 is 10 bytes and int I is of 2 bytes. So 2 plus 10, 12 bytes. But coming to the union, it occupies only 10 bytes. That is, it is sharing same area within memory. That is, whatever the highest memory you have in union, that will be taken as its memory. Now int I also shares in those 10 bytes, and char s of 10 also shares in that 10 bytes only. So I'll explain this using an example now. For example, we have an EMP union name, and it has elements as int enum and char name of 20 and close brace semicolon. Now tell me what is the size of this particular union. This is of 2 bytes. This is char name of 20, but instead of having 22 bytes, it takes only 20 because highest is what? 20 bytes. So this is what in union. Now coming to union variable, we have to write union name. What is the union name here? EMP. And union variable name, it is E1. Okay, so next E1, we have E1. So I have declared this above the main function. That means these are all our global declarations. We can also write this under main function also. There is no problem with it. But as here I want this means just to know that it is a global declaration, I am writing above. That's it. There is no issue. Right, coming to the void main, I'm asking user to enter e number and also user percentile d ampersand even dot e number. So do you find any difference between structure and union? No. To access the union variables also, union elements also, you need to use dot operator and its variable name. So even dot enum, and ask user to enter name. So scanf percentile d s ampersand even dot name. Now ask user to get the details of e number and ename. So now you find e number is equal percentile d slash n, ename is equal percentile s slash n. First percentile d is e number, so e1 dot e number, and second is percentile s e1 dot name. Now see the output, what you will get. So you are asking user to enter enum, so you have entered 1204, and you ask user to enter name, so you have entered Satish. Now e number is equal to, you will get some different value when you find e number. When you see the answer, you will not get 1204, but when you write ename, it will give Satish. What is happening in the compiler? Now what is happening here is, so when you ask enter a number 1204, it takes that 1204 here, 1204, which occupies in 2 bytes. Actually it is of how many bytes? I said 20 bytes. So e number and name should share only these 20 bytes. So 20 bytes, 1204 you will get. And when you ask user to enter name, what is happening is it is being overridden by the name. It is overridden by Satish. So you will have Satish. So that is 1204 has been overridden by Satish. So this is what happens in union. Then what you need to do? So what you need to do is, whenever you read something here, then just print there itself, so that you will get the answer. Here only you print like printf e number is equal to percentile d slash n comma e1 dot e number. So if you write that, generally you will get answer now as 1204, and after enter enum scanf percentile d, and here itself you again ask user to enter the ename. So you will get now answer, you will get both the answers.